I usually start with asking the participants what their objectives are for the course. What do they hope to realize it? And the way I ask it is, why is it you're here in these seats right now? What do you expect to get out of this? And they all come to pretty much the same outcome, which is they're here to learn how to do the logical thinking process for the purpose of solving problems, specifically problems that they are already aware that they have within their organizations. So I tell them that my objectives are twofold for the course. The first is that by the time the 6 days are over, they will leave the course completely self-sufficient in the logical thinking process, meaning they can go back and build competent logic trees without having to have me or anyone else standing over their shoulders to tell them what they're doing wrong. And the second objective is that they get a head start, and I emphasize head start, on solving a real-world problem. The whole thinking process is designed to start with an ill-defined problem of some sort and end up with a fully implemented solution to that problem, and go all through the analysis steps in between.